Hey, want to learn French through cooking videos or improve your Spanish while watching football? AI can make that happen. It can also provide interactive exercises, giving you a chance to practice what you've learned in a fun and engaging way. Enter the world of artificial intelligence, a game changer in language learning. So, how can AI help you with your language goals? It's like having a language tutor available round the clock, and the best part about it, it's free. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, please make sure to watch this part. However, if you're already familiar, you can skip to the next section. When using any AI, it's crucial to be clear in your requests. If you feel comfortable using your native language, please use your native language to make sure that your request is precise. Here are 6 questions you can answer when you're making your request about language learning. What kind of request you have, your language level, who you are, student or professional, how frequently you want to study, your goals, and in what format you would like to receive this information. So let me give you an example. For instance, you might say, create a curriculum for an upper intermediate business English student working in Taiwan for a semiconductor company. I will study at home 3 times a week for 5 or 10 minutes each day with a focus on listening and vocabulary. Please organize the curriculum in a table format, specify vocabulary, and provide links to websites for self study practice. Maybe you're thinking right now, why this student wouldn't use app like Duolingo? But the problem with all these apps that they're teaching general English. ChatGPT is the best tool because you can keep editing your curriculum until you find something that meets your expectation. Let's say you love Imagine Dragons and you feel like learning English through Imagine Dragons songs would be a great idea. You can mention it and ChatGPT will add it to your curriculum. A lot of students find that vocabulary apps do not give them enough practice. In this case, you can ask ChatGPT to create extra exercises for you. First, paste the list of words you struggle with and then create the type of exercise you would like to do. The most common is fill out the gap, but there are lots of other exercises you could create. Just use your imagination or ask ChatGPT for help. So, we're approaching the most exciting part about ChatGPT. I'm not sure if it's correct to say, but you know that ChatGPT has a lot of other chats GPT inside. For example, there is ChatGPT for specifically English learning. You know, there are a lot of things that ChatGPT can help you with. You can open the section specifically for learning languages. Choose the language you want to learn, choose your level, and practice your writing and sentence building. It is also good for speaking practice. No matter what language you're learning, it can offer a lot of tools to practice. For example, if you don't want to type your answer, you can use your phone to record the answer and it will type it for you. In this case, you'll see what kind of mistakes you're making and what words your phone was not able to recognize. To enhance your listening skills, ask ChatGPT to create a suitable playlist for your level. You can also mention your interests, your favorite bands. It can find some interesting podcasts for you. You can make it enjoyable and useful. However, I would strongly recommend you asking ChatGPT to put all links in there because sometimes ChatGPT doesn't do it and you would have to look for them manually, which is really annoying. If you need writing practice, ChatGPT can create exercises like email writing or essay composing. You can even ask for detailed error correction. You will get explanation. And after that, you can request ChatGPT to create practice exercises to fix all mistakes you have made. Struggling with a particular pronunciation or a grammar rule? No problem. Just ask ChatGPT to create practice exercises. So, overall, AI provides continuous learning support, and it's like having a tutor who is highly motivated to help you anytime, whether you're revising our lessons or tackling new topics. So, why not to give AI a shot in your language learning? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and see you later.